From thousands of bold submissions to the top 300 groundbreaking ideas. Now, the most outstanding top 60 innovators from Indonesia and Malaysia are chosen. Here, all in one arena, Jakarta, Indonesia. Ready to reimagine the future with beauty. This is Impact. Innovate with impact. Greetings, innovators. Welcome to Impact, a place where your ideas stop just being concepts and start becoming catalysts for change.
Welcome to Paragon. A big congratulations to all 60 of you.
They want to put all the best features in the products. Guess what? We have another surprise for you guys. There will be only 20 participants who can choose their teammates. Congratulations to all 20 rising stars!
The top 20 that can choose the teammates, right? So we think that only one of us shall enter the top 20 position, because if not, we won't be in the same group, and we need to go as higher as possible, because the higher our position, the bigger the change we can choose one to each other.
It just happened like, oh, I'm not gonna be the top 20, so I just need to wait till the leaders chose me, and I didn't believe he chose me.
Eka.
Eka.
I will choose Anissa.
Anissa. Okay, congratulations.
I would like to choose Fanya.
Fanya.
I will choose Rizky.
I'd like to invite Dava Zetira. Dava has an idea in the product innovation. I went to more on the idea of the marketing lines, and then Nisrina has this good idea about technology, and we want to integrate them all into one product that can be a breakthrough in the beauty industry.
I'll choose Aurelia.
Aurelia.
But then I was like, we need one more person. And when I found Nobi's profile, I was like, I think we're gonna click. So,
yes. And here am I.
I'd like to choose Nobi.
Sorry, I couldn't find. Can you state your background? Yes.
Profile.
Yeah, name and background, please. Sorry? What's Harvest Technology? Okay. You? Oh. Chemistry. Fadilah then.
Okay, so Anis choose Fadila. Lim Li Chun, who you will choose?
Can I know your names first? Okay, what are you doing? Psychology major. How about you? Technology. Okay, I'll take psychology. Alan.
Alan, okay. All right, everyone, our team is officially set. Congratulations for your team. So, your first task begins now. It is brainstorming. The first one, your output is presentation, maximum 5 slides. And then you have to submit it tomorrow at 6 a.m. So guys, good luck, collaborate well, and see you tomorrow Once again, good luck everyone. Thank you.
I think I've already answered it. Like, we're trying to combining those three because I've heard some of the teams are just focusing on one stream only, just like either it is focused on the product innovation itself or maybe go-to-market itself, but we are trying to combine those three in one compact solution that deliver someone most or maybe biggest pain points.
I think I'm more capable in terms of 3D and modeling stuff, and then Amar, because he's a chemical engineering student, he's more fluent with ingredients and stuff like that, and as well as Zafran, I think he's interested and has more experience with go-to-marketing stuff.
When I saw both of her, I think they like completes what quality I maybe lack in certain areas, and they actually complete when completed me when we were in the process of discussion. So, you know, I think we're definitely going to like defeat other teams, right?
Yeah. Lesson for today is we deep dive more on the emphasize, because our strategy is in this case was deep dive on emphasize and also solving the problem, the very main pain problem that we want to take, and this take us on the main idea that we finally agree on. It doesn't have to be take the most vote or majority vote. It's more into deep emphasize that we prioritize more.
Of course, the first case definitely is not easy, because first of all, the things that they provide us, or I would say the topic is quite wide, so we have to define a lot of things ourselves, and then after defining, we have to find the direction that is the best for ourselves. So of course, it took a lot of iterations, changing from one side to another side.
Each of us have very different ideas, and all of them are actually really well put out, even though it's only 1 hour. So now we are going to choose and we're going to make the pitch deck.
But then when we really do the brainstorm, I had a quite difficult to actually like integrate the ideas, because we have like different backgrounds and different ideas as well when we submit the application. But then that's actually our power.
We just like brainstorm and chit chat with each other, like what kind of ideas do you have, what kind of product that do you want to propose for this problem. So we kind of do it together, because there's a lot of things that we need to align first. So because we are not like haven't any experience joining as a team before, so we have to like to be together first, make our strategy align, our concept align, so we're doing it all together first.
We are trying so hard to resonate with people, with actual people, to answer what they actually need. We empathize a lot, we listen a lot, and mostly our decision making is based on human-centered, like human-centered driven. So like, yeah, maybe that's how I think we're gonna defeat other groups.
She said about the problem. He talked about product. So I talk about, oh, this is the flow, this is the journey, and also how to make it happen, because like in industrial engineering, there is like proving about this idea is really can be implemented, like about financing, also something like that, just go to market with a real quantitative proving.
We have to stay, let's say, I'm going to say in a Gen Z word, locked in. So we have to really focus at our work. We need to perfect our work, and we have to recheck it again and again and again so that it can be perfect. And on that, maintain communication, maintain some kind of collaboration, maintain some kind of respect towards each other and towards each other's work, and try to make sure that we don't do this just for ourselves, but for our team as well.
We kinda like compile each of our own thoughts, and if we want to argue, we argue. Trust me, we do argue. And then after we argue politely, we try to make it into a plan through the based on the case book given.
In the beginning, we have a little bit discussion, but not discussion like, no, not like that. It should be like this. No, not like that.
Right?
Something happened, yeah.
It's really hard for us to combine.
Yeah, initially we have 3 ideas.
We don't know about the pain point from our customer, so we choose to thinking again who will gonna ask the question.
Basically, we are starting from mapping the customer flow first because we need to choose about the customer journey. So we're mapping what the most possible life-changing situation in our life, and we list down all of them. And after that, we're choosing the most life-changing and what Paragon can tap into that life-changing. And after that, we brainstorm the product, the innovation that we can choose. And at first, we go brainstorm to all of the 3 pillars. That basically, basically that's not that all necessary at all.
The topic that I chose, that we chose, it was childbirth as a course of life, because it's between joy or sadness, or it can be anything, and it also affected both life stages, which is adult and the baby itself.
Right now, our team, ourselves, try to strengthen our ideas. Then we will choose the best.
And there was actually like a point we were so confident. And we were actually quite confident about, I think this is a really good idea. And then we tried to approach the Paragonists at the AHA station, and then they made us actually question the impact of our solution. And then turns out we did like a 180-degree change.
But also, I think just the way we discuss with each other, the way we are comfortable with each other, the way we have fun while doing it, I would say that would be, again, our advantage, and we hope that we could succeed above other teams.
I think my hope is judges welcome our idea because our idea is more simple.
When a baby is born, a mom is also born.
So we're going to announce the top 10 groups that will proceed to the next round.